Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning from
Rajamahendravaram.
Rajamahendravaram.
Rajamandri.
Rajamandri. No, I like Rajamahendravaram. It's difficult to pronounce because I was not able to pronounce it yesterday. So this is day 2, morning from Rajamahendravaram. We have just started from the hotel and touched the highway. We're just exiting the city.
Trying to exit.
और भाई क्या ट्रैफिक है, क्या crazy ट्रैफिक है यार.
So we slept in a bit today. We woke up at 8. You woke up a bit early.
I woke up at 7:30.
Yeah, 7:30. Oh, wow. Okay.
You woke up at 8:30.
8.
8 o'clock. Okay.
I woke up at 8. But at least we got a good night's sleep.
We got a good night's sleep, but we are late for today. It's already
We're late for today.
9:30.
But what I feel is important is that we should be well rested. Because I know distance we can always cover. We've always covered distances.
Yeah.
So yesterday what happened was we were really tired already when we left. We started in the morning. So that's what led to us not being able to cover distance as well. Okay, so let's see. Today's target destination is Balasore.
Balasore. So one of my very close friends stays there. We've known each other for 10 years. तो आज उसके घर पे जाके हॉल्ट करने का प्लान है. We chose Balasore mainly so that we can stay with him. We can spend some time with him. Otherwise तो भुवनेश्वर या पूरी साइड पे रुक सकते थे. But then थोड़ा मस्त वो भी Balasore भी एक्सप्लोर कर लेंगे आज. वैसे वहाँ पर एक बीच है. When I went to his marriage, right? There is a beach there. जहाँ पर for a 2-3 kilometers you just see the seashore, nothing else. Water sometimes come there, not always. तो वो जगह जाके देखते हैं. If we can explore that, then that will be great. And tomorrow is when we will enter the place where we are supposed to go, northeast. We will mostly enter Siliguri tomorrow. That is the gateway of northeast. And उसके बाद देखते हैं सिक्किम चलेंगे. कहाँ चल सकते हैं depending on how the situation is.
Yeah, so Sikkim anyway, there are news and reports coming out of yesterday's landslide that happened. Again, the landslide has blocked some of the key routes, key tourist spots, and some of the places that we wanted to go to as well towards the northern part and western parts of Sikkim. Especially NH10 is what we are hearing has been impacted. So that's one of the highways that's always impacted by landslides. So let's see where we can, what are the parts that we will be able to cover in Sikkim. If not, because the whole of northeast also shows, the forecast shows that there's going to be heavy thunderstorms for the coming week as well. And of course, when there's thunderstorms there, obviously it's going to be one of the wettest parts, probably not just the country, but probably the world as well. So we'll see. We'll take a call as we're going, and we will see what places we can or we will be able to cover.
क्योंकि हमारे पास टाइम है यार. हम सिक्किम नहीं जा पाए अभी. जाते टाइम तो बाकी नॉर्थ ईस्ट के स्टेट्स में चले जाएंगे और आते टाइम सिक्किम कवर कर लेंगे. बहुत टाइम है. जहाँ मन करे वहाँ जाएंगे.
So that's how it's always been, right?
Yeah.
So we've never planned per se. So we'll see. As we're going, we'll try to keep it more dynamic and be a little bit more open as to the places that we can go to. So that's what. Anyway, we have everything packed. In case we're stuck somewhere, we have enough food to survive, enough water to survive, enough essentials to survive.
क्योंकि we bought everything according to Lemi Lapcha, right?
Yeah.
और Lemi Lapcha में तो कुछ था ही नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है. Literally for 700 kilometers up and down.
Exactly. So
But
we are prepared for 700 kilometers and couple more days if we are stuck somewhere. So we are prepared.
We have
for
enough
that.
supplies. We have oxygen. We have recovery gears. We have quite a lot of things.
So let's see.
मद्रास प्रीमियम कॉफ़ी. वहाँ ब्रेकफास्ट मिला नहीं. भैया ने बोला यहाँ चले जाओ. और क्या व्यू है यार. देखो कार हमने वहीं छोड़ दिया. वो कभी है वो कभी. ये रिजॉर्ट और कन्वेंशन सेंटर है.
We never saw this, right? We just
No,
happened to see
I
that.
saw that. I saw that.
Did you see this?
हाँ, बट मैंने कहा मद्रास प्रीमियम कॉफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है। लेकिन है यहाँ तो भीड़ भी है।
Doesn't start raining.
कोई ना, विल रन एंड गो, डाइजेस्ट भी हो जाएगा सारा खाना जो भी खाएंगे यहाँ पर। सही यार, बहुत कुछ है यहाँ पे तो,
Yeah.
बट हमें सिर्फ खाना खाना है।
More idli also.
नहीं, तू खा भाई, अच्छे से खा। तू अभी बिल्कुल डेड की तरह पड़ी हुई थी। Eat something, you'll be fine now.
Breakfast is important for you, Claro.
Breakfast is important. Look at her eating chutney. क्या डोसा था भाई, है ना?
Damn good.
हाँ,
Very
पूरी,
nice.
but पूरी was okay. Dosa was really good actually. And this chutney, look at it यार. Chutney was crazy, no? Tasty, very very tasty. And इस बात का डर था, वही हुआ। Raining cats and dogs. हमारी कार बहुत दूर खड़ी है। How are we gonna go? I don't know.
I'm someone who does not eat chutney. And I'm literally sitting and eating chutney.
I thought कि मैं वॉक करके गाड़ी ले आऊँगा, बट जिस तरह से बारिश हो रही है, it does not look possible. How do we go now? चाय पी ली? How do we go now?
We'll see where they have those umbrellas. They will just request them if they can lend
अरे
us.
बहुत दूर है, वो लेके जाएंगे। बोलते भैया से इनसे अम्ब्रेला लेके जाओ।
Oh, we'll have to buy an umbrella.
Shit, we did not carry an umbrella.
What?
We did not carry an umbrella. Shit,
We had, right?
I took it out from Hilux.
Wow.
There's the umbrella that we used, right, some time back.
Oh, that's broken anyway.
Then we don't have an umbrella.
Then, yeah.
We had 5-6 umbrellas. I don't know where all of them are now.
One, two, I don't know where the rest are.
बारिश तो और तेज़ हुई जा रही है। कैसे जाएंगे? हमारी जो कार है वो खड़ी है इसके उधर पीछे, और वहाँ तक जाने में तो इंसान भीग जाएगा। ऑलरेडी वॉट 11:23. We have to cover almost 800 kilometers. To reach by 9 actually. दोस्त के घर जाना है, लेकिन वरना रात में 12 बजे पहुँचने का कोई मतलब है नहीं। बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही है भाई, क्रेजी। वो तो भैया अच्छे निकले, उन्होंने हमें दे दिया कि आप जाओ लेके जाओ।
No,
और
I genuinely feel people here were actually very nice. The service and everything was very good. They literally gave us this umbrella to borrow till.
कोका कोला का अम्ब्रेला।
They let us borrow their umbrella so that we could go take our car and come back and give it to them. Or they might even come and collect it themselves. So I feel like their service is really good.
उधर देखो भाई साहब, पानी भर गया, पानी भर गया। अब हमें जाना है उधर, वहाँ खड़ी है हमारी कार। रोड पे से जाएंगे, कहाँ से जाएंगे? रुक जा, ट्रक आ रहा है भाई साहब, सारा उड़ा उड़ा के जाएंगे। भैया आराम आराम से, आराम से। You have to go from here. आज इधर आ जा, चलो।
Let's go.
वो देखो भैया हमारे पीछे पीछे आ रहे हैं। वो वहाँ खड़ी है हमारी हालत। पहुँच गए भाई, पहुँच गए फाइनली गाड़ी में। भैया को थोड़े से पैसे भी दे दिए हम लोगों ने कि वहाँ तक लेके आए इतना दूर। क्रेजी यार, तो क्रेजी बारिश है वहाँ। शट, यहाँ तो पानी भर गया ऑलरेडी। Passed by Visakhapatnam and stopped at a toll for a cup
After
of
the-
tea.
after the toll?
Visakhapatnam toll. Views are crazy, crazy views. And we found something. I'll attach a dashcam video. Some people were selling swords which were locally made and it was extremely sharp, extremely sharp. मैंने टच किया, मैं वीडियो नहीं बनाया उसका because those guys looked bit creepy and they were all just glaring at us because it's just me and Swati driving all the way. Right? Obviously, इन सब में उनको थोड़ा लगता ही है कि क्या है. They're curious also and when you saw it you freaked out I guess.
I thought it's a plastic sword or something. To be honest, it looked like that first from far. But then when they were passing by close, they were like, you know, clashing the swords against each other. So we could hear the metal making noises. And that's when we realized that, okay, these are like genuine swords. They're not like just for show or anything. And we both did ask, like, what is it for? And they were basically selling it for all passing trucks. The trucks that were passing by, they were trying to sell the swords to them.
I asked him, मैंने कहा, who buys it? They were like, everyone. मैंने कहा, so this is for just show off or safety? He hesitated a little after saying safety. मैंने कहा, हाँ, both. We all know what truckers and a lot of people carry when they travel on highway. Right? But this was very sharp. Right?
No, more than sharp, I think it was the way that it was just being sold in the open was what was
obviously it's
a little
illegal.
surprising.
It's illegal there.
Because we all don't know that the truck drivers, when they have to pass by really tough terrains and not just tough terrains, through some really difficult places where safety also becomes a concern. And we have heard a lot how truck drivers do carry few things to just keep themselves safe as well. But we've never seen anything like just being sold like this out in the open, that too a sword. Like it was a machete, like a really big one. Right, so it looked like a serious weapon. So it was a little shocking to just see it being sold out there first. I don't know if this is very common. At least I have not seen anything
Even
like
I've not
this at
seen
all.
like this that they are selling in open. I know
Yeah.
that they carry.
Yeah, we've
swords,
heard that they
dichate.
carry, but we've never seen it just being sold out in the open so casually. So that was a little surprising.
और हार्डली 300-400 रुपए का बेच रहा होगा. इतना आस्क फॉर द प्राइस.
Maybe, yeah.
मतलब बहुत चेप हो जाता. And those guys look very very creepy. तो मैं बस देख रहा था कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. Very very sharp. Very risky also. And whenever I think there was a PCR van passed by it, so they just hit it. उसके बाद the moment the PCR went cross the toll, फिर ये दोबारा निकाल के ऐसे ऐसे भाई पूरा करे जा रहे. मस्त. Nice experience at least.
A little surprising. I was a little freaked out to be honest. I was like, what is this? What is happening?
ये जो PCR वैन है ना, ये गई थी on the left side that you see. हाँ, ये लोग जब गए थे, when those guys stopped selling it. Now we are heading towards Balasore. It was raining cats and dogs so far. Now it's been like 2-3 minutes since it stopped raining. It's very hot. We stepped out for tea. It was horrible, horrible. Temperature shows just 30 to 33 degrees, but it felt like 47-48 degrees. No doubt.
Easily.
सारे हनुमान जी हर जगह. आंध्र प्रदेश में हनुमान जी वर्शिप होते हैं. इतनी बड़ी मूर्ति है, gigantic. Seriously, this is seriously like 17th 18th मूर्ति that we have seen, no? So big. बहुत सारी यार, बहुत सारी. नहीं है. Another tool and look at this cloud. क्या प्यारा लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि शिवलिंग टाइप लग रहा है ना. Seriously, हाँ यार. Seriously, it looks like shivling. So good. यार आंध्रा खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. कल से हम लोग आंध्रा में हैं. आंध्रा खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा.
Actually, it's we are narrowing down right now. So we're about to enter Orissa anyway. All of this, the peaks that we see over here are completely part of Orissa. Yeah. So just the coastal area is part of Andhra. On this side at least.
So finally we are entering Odisha from Andhra. This is how It is, the view is very, very beautiful. Swati is also posting some stories. Look at the mountain ranges there. We are at the border, about to enter. This will be our third state for the trip. Welcome to Odisha. Welcome to Odisha. There was a board on the left side also. Welcome to Odisha. HP says welcome to Odisha. Finally, we are in our third state for the trip. Pretty excited. Our destination is close to 430 kilometers. 387 is the city where we are going. Bharat Petroleum also says Odisha pump. Is the fuel cheaper in Odisha or what? Compared to Andhra? I'm sure it's going to be cheaper. What is the price? 94 rupees. So 1 rupee cheaper only. Bangalore is relatively way too cheaper, right? 90 rupees. So finally we have entered our third state for the trip, which is Odisha. I might be repeating myself again and again, but Andhra was huge. Huge. हम लोगों ने मैप्स पर बॉर्डर देखा. ये लाइक यू सेड नो कि सारा का सारा कोस्टल जितना ले सकते थे आंध्रा के पास चला गया. उसके पैरेलली लिटरली लाइक 10-15 किलोमीटर ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड.
Whatever mountains you could see from right from there, it's all Odisha.
सही है यार, crazy.
But coming to Odisha for the first time.
Yeah, how do you feel?
Great, because we've never been here, right? So curious to see how is the state, the cuisine, especially the culture. Try to grasp as much as possible while we're passing through it.
This is the second time that I am visiting Odisha. I came here in 2021 during COVID. जिसके घर जा रहे हैं लोग, उसी की शादी में आया था. We came by flight. भुवनेश्वर पे भी landed. And then वहाँ से हम लोगों ने कार रेंटल ली. भाई क्या एक भी कार रेंटल नहीं मिल रही थी हम लोगों को उस टाइम. जो ये Zoom कार और ये सब होते हैं कुछ भी नहीं था. I'm not sure what is the state right now. भुवनेश्वर is pretty developed. But एक भी वहाँ पे नहीं था. हमने लोकल किसी वेंडर से सियाज लेके गए.
Probably they were all rented out already by the time you guys could.
नहीं, there was no, उसमें था ही नहीं, मतलब Zoom कार था ही नहीं, रेव कुछ भी नहीं था. जितने रेंटल्स है ना कुछ भी नहीं. At least well known rentals that we see in Bangalore or these Delhi tier 1 cities वहाँ पर नहीं था भुवनेश्वर में. बट ठीक है, हम लोगों को सियाज मिला और वहाँ से हम लोग रोड ट्रिप करके गए थे. उस टाइम तो रोड्स वर अंडर डेवलपमेंट. लेट्स सी हाउ इज इट नाउ. भुवनेश्वर तक जाते हैं. भुवनेश्वर तक तो रोड लुक्स गुड. NH16 is really good. पहली बार हम लोग NH16 कर रहे हैं, right? NH16 has been really good except for some patches here and there. It's been wonderful so far. आगे देखते हैं कैसे रोड हैं, क्या क्या है. बारिश तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो रही यहाँ पे, बहुत गर्मी है.
It's not even remotely cloudy this side.
We stepped out for some time. पूरा जल गया यार, पूरा जल गया.
Oh my god.
That was close. This is the problem with these big vehicles, no? कोई बात नहीं. Experiences.
Thankfully we were not on high speeds.
भाई साहब, उड़ीसा में मुझे अभी तक लग रहा था कि आंध्र प्रदेश में लोग कहीं से भी आते हैं, एटलीस्ट इन दोज रूरल एरियाज जो हाईवे पे कनेक्ट करते हैं फॉर मार्केट. क्योंकि पूरे आंध्र प्रदेश में पीपल आर कमिंग ऑन द रॉन्ग साइड. ट्रक्स आर कमिंग इन द रॉन्ग साइड, वो भी फास्ट लेन में हमारे वाली. चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. बट उड़ीसा उड़ीसा इज इवन मोर डेंजरस. कोई भी कहीं पे भी आ रहा है. एटलीस्ट सो फार टिल वी एंटर्ड उड़ीसा, कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं जब भी कोई क्रॉस कर रहा था तो पीपल वर स्टॉपिंग बाय कि चलो जो हाईवे पे गाड़ियाँ जा रही हैं लेट देम गो फर्स्ट एंड देन they'll pass by. बट यहाँ उल्टा है. पीपल वुड वांट टू गो. अगर तुम्हें हाईवे पे जाना है, तुम अपना हाईवे पे जा रहे हो तो यू शुड स्लो डाउन. यू शुड फर्स्ट लेट द लोकल ट्रैफिक गो और उसके बाद फिर आओ. रेनबो ऑन द राइट साइड. लुक ऑन द राइट साइड.
Oh wow!
Shit, this crazy rainbow. This is so good. I've never seen such a beautiful rainbow in my entire life.
So pretty. There are two rainbows.
Yeah, there are two rainbows. We are on top of some river. Which river was that?
It's called Rishikulya River. My God, such a pretty rainbow.
Never seen a rainbow like this. I've never seen. We have seen rainbows quite a lot of times, but not something which is so beautiful. It's not close.
And it was right over the river. It looked
Exactly.
so pretty. Just saw the rainbow and we were wondering, okay, where are we right now? And if we zoom out a bit, we are again back to being the closest to the ocean right now.
I think this is
You
the
can see
closest in the entire trip that we have been
true.
to
Very,
the
very, very
Bay
close
of
to the
Bengal.
ocean. And oh my God, that rainbow. What do you say?
Crazy यार. Oh shit, look at this. मेरे को यही डर था.
Oh my
उड़ीसा में
God.
भी is the same thing like MP. है ना? In Andhra Pradesh, there were cattle, and there were definitely somebody who was taking care of it and making sure कि वो divider से यहाँ ना आए या फिर main road पे यहाँ ना आए. We have experienced the same thing in Madhya Pradesh. Every single time we have gone up north via Madhya Pradesh, stray cattle की वजह से कितने accidents होते हैं. It's very dangerous, and we are experiencing the same thing in Odisha also ever since we have entered. There are stray cattle. I'm not sure if they are owned by somebody or not. Or agar if these are owned by somebody, at least it should be like how it was in Andhra Pradesh or Karnataka, wherever we have seen. There is somebody who's taking care of them. Look at it there. यहीं खड़े हैं आराम से. कोई भी कूद के आ जाएगा भाई. Never know. बहुत dangerous होता है यार. Look on that side. I think that is the last land that we can see. Right after this is the ocean.
True. Right after that, it's actually the ocean.
So beautiful.
You can see, no? Sitting more outside.
पूछो उससे. कुछ दिख रहा है भैया? क्या हुआ है? नहीं दिख रहा.
What happened?
मैं भैया के पास गया. उनके पास ज्यादा अच्छा व्यू है यार कि क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं हुआ. अब भैया कुछ दिख रहा है भैया उधर? जैसे उनको ध्यान से हटा दिया मैंने. He was doing some sort of meditation. ऐसे बैठ के 2 बार. सॉरी. ऐसे किसी को इमिटेट नहीं करना चाहिए. अच्छी बात नहीं है.
Seriously, what has happened? It's not even moving.
अंकल से पूछो जा रहे हैं जो.
Let him come back to Milas.
उड़ीसा, India's best kept secret. ऐसा क्या सीक्रेट छुपा रखा है उड़ीसा में?
Ask Lohit, no?
लोहित से पूछेंगे एग्जैक्टली. कि ऐसा क्या सीक्रेट छुपा रखा है उड़ीसा में. नाइस टैगलाइन दो. Once again something very weird that happened with us.
Why are so many things happening with us? I don't understand.
हम लोगों को बहुत तेज भूख लगी थी. We had late breakfast. हमने ब्रेकफास्ट कितने बजे किया? 11, 11:30, 10, 10:30, 11 बजे किया होगा. We had heavy breakfast. एंड हमने सोचा चलो थोड़ा डिस्टेंस कवर कर लेते हैं. लंच के लिए भूख लगी नहीं थी. एंड टाइम इज़ राइट नाउ अराउंड 5:30. एक राज ढाबा करके एक रेस्टोरेंट था. एंड वी वर जस्ट पासिंग बाय दैट प्लेस. बट व्हेन वी पास बाय दैट प्लेस, उससे पहले और उसके बाद कोई होटल कुछ नहीं था खाने पीने के लिए. तो वी वेंट देयर बिकॉज द बिल्डिंग लुक्ड वेरी गुड. वी थॉट विल गो देयर, थोड़ा सा खाना पीना वहाँ खा लेंगे. जैसे ही हमने गाड़ी पार्क करी, बहुत सारे ट्रक्स खड़े थे आगे की साइड में. गाड़ी पार्क करके अंदर गए. जो ओनर था और जो वर्कर्स थे, सब हम दोनों को बहुत awkwardly देख रहे. लाइक एज इफ कि कोई आ गया.
We thought that probably the food was over and maybe that's why they're looking like why are they coming now.
मैं जाते ही पूछा, मैंने कहा भैया खाना पीने को कुछ है क्या, लंच वंच टाइप का. बोलते हाँ हाँ बहुत अच्छा है आओ. तो अंदर उन लोगों ने मस्त अरेंजमेंट कर रहा था. खटिया वटिया, दैट कॉट और एवरीथिंग दे हैव पुट इट. हमें कोने में एक रूम में लेके चले गए. मैंने कहा ये कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं? तो बोलते वो फैमिली रूम है. मैंने कहा चलो चलते हैं. फैमिली रूम जाके देखा 8x8 का एक कमरा होगा ज़्यादा, क्योंकि इट लुक वेरी वेरी शेडी एंड लिटिल रिस्की. दैट्स हाउ इट लुक लाइक. वी वर वेरी श्योर दैट वी शुड नॉट स्टे देयर. जब से हम उड़ीसा में हैं तब से कुछ ना कुछ वियर्ड होए जा रहा है. ठीक है, इट्स ओके. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, पार्ट ऑफ ट्रिप. एक नया एक्सपीरियंस ही है. which we'll cherish maybe later. We'll talk about it and laugh about it. I think we are entering some ghat section or some forest area full of greenery. Crazy लग रहा है.
Genuinely looks really nice. I don't know if the video is doing justice or not, but it looks very, very beautiful right now.
Oh, look at this. एक second.
It's sea, by the way.
gonna
It's not
come.
ocean.
Yeah. Oh. Look at this. So beautiful. वीडियो में तो ऐसा
Much
लग रहा है
behind there
कि
is your darker blue.
yes.
That's the ocean.
So beautiful.
This is one of the most beautiful stretches, I think, that we've seen so far. Okay, so we've finally entered Bhubaneswar.
It's dark around 6:15.
Yeah, by 6:15 it got properly dark. It looks like a major city. Of course, it's a major city. We've been passing through all really small towns so far, so it's nice to see a major city after a long time of entering Odisha.
Another 4.5 hours to our friend's place in Balasore.
Yes. Another 4.5 hours.
अगर रोड अच्छा हुआ तो विल स्ट्रेच, मतलब थोड़ा सा खींचे लेके जाते हैं, बट अभी तक तो रोड ऐसा ही है. रोड इज गुड बट टू मच ऑफ स्ट्रे कैटल्स, अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रे कैटल्स.
Plenty. So we skipped lunch as well. I think we had a couple of snacks on the way now, and we'll just go and have dinner directly at Lohit's place. Right? In Balasore.
They're already waiting. आज सुबह से वेट कर रहा है यार कि कब आएंगे भाई हमारा. Initially we thought कि we'll reach by 8:30, but then too much of rain, roads were bad, there was a lot of traffic that got us delayed. We tried to cover, initially when we started in the morning, it was showing us 1:30 in the night that we'll reach. So from 1:30 we bet this Google's time to 10:30 I guess, right? And now it's again back to 11:30. If the roads are good, we'll try to थोड़ा खींच देंगे. Otherwise, we'll reach by 11:30. कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Let's see. Let's try to explore Bhubaneswar as we pass through it. We don't have enough time to cover some of the key areas here. Hopefully, we'll have some time while coming back. We'll see if we can explore at that time. But for now, at least we can get a sense of how Bhubaneswar is.
ये बस हम लोग एग्जिट कर जाएंगे यार. एग्जिट नहीं आ रही, सब आ जा रहा है लेकिन एग्जिट नहीं आ रही.
We've just entered the city.
But it's been quite some time. No,
so
चेक पोस्ट आई थी.
Yeah, but that's the outskirts is what I noticed when I checked on the maps.
अच्छा.
So this is the main city area. So basically passing through Bhubaneswar. So while we're here, let's just enjoy it. Let's just see how is the city. I hope we had more time to explore, but let's at least see whatever we can.
There is no water. I don't see. नीचे साइड से, मैं अगर राइट साइड से देख रहा हूँ तो पत्थर दिख रहे हैं.
I can't see anything either.
होगा, आई थिंक रात में नहीं दिख रहा.
Entered Cuttack finally. Passed by Bhubaneswar. Yeah, Cuttack is on the right side, it says. And finally, we're seeing boats for Kolkata. Oh.
Look at that moon. That's moon, right? Yeah, it looks so pretty, red.
And it's super low.
Super low. And we just saw, right? The elevation is 11 meter right now, literally 11 meter, because obviously we're at sea level, like I said.
On the web.
Very good. जब सिरी को बोलो एक्टिव हो जा तो एक्टिव नहीं होगी. जब सिरी को बोलो कुछ करना है, कुछ नहीं बोलेगी, और जब कुछ नहीं बोले, जब बात करो तो सारी बात सुननी है सिरी को, और उसके बाद कुछ ना कुछ रैंडम सजेशन देना है।
I think there are clouds in the front.
हाँ यार, they look like
Clouds.
cloud,
Exactly,
yeah.
they're clouds.
Should look so beautiful.
Everything is so low here.
Yeah. Okay. That's something that just we know. We are about to reach Balasore.
Finally.
15 more kilometers, 24 minutes, map shows. And we will wrap up our day there at our friend's place. And we've covered good distance. We started at 9:30 from the hotel, right? And right now it's already 10 o'clock, 10:15. And we have done 814 kilometers, so close to 13 hours.
Yeah.
13 hours we are almost here. 13 and a half hours we'll be home. We have covered pretty good distance considering how the entire route was. Too much of rain, too many bad roads, too many diversions.
Too many cattle.
A crazy amount of cattle. We took the diversion to Balasore town. I think आगे जाके कहीं कोई कट लेना है to enter the city. We should reach in another 15 minutes or so. क्या यार, अच्छा ये स्टैचूज हैं. Shit. दूर से देखा लाइट आ रही थी, मुझे लगा ये कौन खड़े हैं. You never know. I think this is the turn. Yes, this is the turn for Balasore. और पुलिस वाले हमारा वेलकम करते हुए they will 100% stop us. चलो अच्छा है. रोकना है क्या?
My God, so many of them.
हाँ जी.
कौन अच्छी?
हाँ,
क्या है?
बैंगलोर से आ रहे हैं
बैंगलोर
दोस्त
से?
के घर. हाँ
तो थोड़ा चेकिंग हो रहा था, थोड़ा
हाँ श्योर. हमारा वेलकम हो गया है बालासोर में विद अ लॉट ऑफ चेकिंग. भैया लोग हमसे पूछते कहाँ जा रहे हो. अब मैं उनको पूरा एक्सप्लेन करता कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट घूमने आए हैं और आज रात को अपने दोस्त के घर रुक रहे हैं, तो बहुत टाइम ले जाता. तो सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए आई जस्ट टोल्ड देम कि एक शादी अटेंड करने आए हैं इधर बैंगलोर से, और इसके बाद हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट घूमने जाएंगे. दे वर प्रीटी एक्साइटेड. बोलते फैमिली है क्या? मैंने कहा नहीं, फैमिली हमारे यहाँ नहीं है, दोस्त की शादी है. और बोले इतना सारा सामान क्यों है शादी के लिए. मैंने कहा उसके बाद घूमने फिरने जाने का प्लान है ना हमारा, इसीलिए. फिर बहुत देर तक मतलब बहुत डीपली वो लोग चेक कर रहे थे क्या है अंदर, घुस घुस के पीछे डाले के अंदर. देन फाइनली बोलते स्माइल करो और टॉर्च दिखा के बोलते हाँ फोटो खींचेंगे हम तुम्हारी. रीजंस वुड बी बेस्ट नोन टू देम. बालेश्वर की रोड बहुत ख़राब है यार. लोहित क्या कर रहा है यार, इतना बड़ा बिजनेसमैन बन गया है और रोड नहीं बनवाई जा रही तेरे से अपनी सिटी की. कुछ कर भाई. और वो आज तो जाके रेस्ट करेंगे, कल देखते हैं कितने बजे उठते हैं, उसके हिसाब से विल प्लान नेक्स्ट स्टॉप. what we were thinking is we will try to enter West Bengal. West Bengal से यहाँ से I think 200 किलोमीटर होगा border, right? How much is it?
Let me check.
I
But
think
it's not
not
very
more than,
far.
क्योंकि कोलकाता itself shows 200, 300
Yeah,
odd
it's not very
kilometers,
far.
right? And I'm assuming कि अगर कोलकाता 200-300 किलोमीटर है तो border should be just like obviously lesser than that. तो कल देखते हैं कहाँ तक पहुँच पाते हैं. सिलीगुड़ी is what we were thinking, but let's see कितने बजे उठेंगे, कितने बजे पहुँचेंगे. All of that we'll see and figure it out.